Have you ever wondered what artificial intelligence, or AI, really is? Let's dive into the future of technology and discover what AI is all about. At its core, AI allows computers and systems to learn from experience, understand complex information, and even make decisions based on that data. Imagine a robot analyzing vast amounts of information and making smart choices just like a human. When we talk about AI, there are two main types: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task, like voice assistants on smartphones. Think Siri or Alexa. General AI, which doesn't exist yet, would be capable of thinking and reasoning like a human across a wide range of tasks. Picture a robot that could do anything a person can do, from cooking to solving complex math problems. So, how does AI work? AI processes vast amounts of data through algorithms, like a machine following a recipe to learn patterns and make predictions. It's all about using data to teach the machine how to think. One of the most important parts of AI is machine learning, or ML. Machine learning allows computers to improve their performance automatically through experience without being explicitly programmed. Imagine a computer learning how to play chess better with each game it plays. AI is already part of our daily lives. You may interact with AI every day, from voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars, and even social media platforms that suggest content based on your interests. It's incredible how integrated AI has become in such a short time. The future of AI is exciting, but it also raises questions about ethics and responsibility. AI has the potential to transform industries like healthcare and education, and more. However, it also brings up important questions about ethics, responsibility, and its role in our future. We need to think about how we use AI and ensure it benefits everyone. Artificial intelligence is reshaping the world we live in. As AI continues to evolve, it's important to understand its impact on our lives and society. Are you ready for the future? If you want to keep up with the latest in AI and technology, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content. Thanks for watching.